What's going on, guys? It's Lev back here again with another talking, sort of looking at the charts in the middle sort of video, and we're going to be looking at price action, what happened in the past week, and what I believe is going to happen tomorrow on Monday and throughout the rest of the week. It's pretty snowy, so if you guys hear like the big banging outside and the trucks and stuff, that's just people shoveling up the snow, like those big cars and shit. So let's get to it. So on the chart here, we can look at the daily chart first to see what we're looking at. So on the daily on NQ, we had this low here, and this low was taken out by a sweep on the 20th, 21st here, and we started reversing to the upside. Some things I've been looking at is we've had like these four equal highs up here, plus we have this one that's pretty close, and this one here, and this fair value gap. And this fair value gap here on the daily chart. So we have some strong movement to the upside that I want to get to, and I want to take out this week, maybe the next week as well. For that, and on the daily chart we also have this small volume imbalance that we might retrace into, and the volume imbalance creates this fair value gap in here as well. But I'm just looking at that volume imbalance. We might wick out of it to take this daily low. And on the 15-minute, we can see what happened on previous days. So we have a bunch of lows here, 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 and this low, which is like the wick out of that volume imbalance. And then this would be the 21st daily, or this is the 22nd daily low. Yeah, so on last day trading on the 23rd, everyone's going bearish. You know, we see these highs here, and we see some more like these highs from 3 a.m. Like London highs get sweeping out, and then people start to see bearish movement downwards, and people think it's going to go take out these lows, and it didn't take out those lows. But instead of looking at what happened what happened that day, what I'm looking at is like we created new lows that are really close to these lows, that are really close to these lows, and that are somewhat close to these lows under that volume imbalance, and all of which is in the range of the volume imbalance. So what I'm going to be looking for is to sweep out all the liquidity, to fill the volume imbalance, to then reverse to the upside, to get into these equal highs and this big fair value gap on the daily chart. And that's pretty much what I'm looking for on Monday. We can see in the range, I'm also looking at this, I forgot to mention, that we have this wick here, a premium wick. And if we go back to the 5-minute, we can see how this wick was created. You know, on the daily chart, we come up and we close here, creating this part, which is the wick. And this wick that I'm going to be I want to come down, take out these, come up, and then take out these highs at the equilibrium of this wick. And we can see that we have a bunch of wicks coming near this 50% equilibrium of that wick, also in this fair value gap here. So that's a good plan for me on my trading for the next day or couple of days. So we have this fair value gap. These are going to be my targets for Monday, which is tomorrow the day. Unless something happens during Asian session and London session, we already take those out, and then maybe reverse downwards. I could go short. But that's what I'm looking for, to come down, take out lows, take out this imbalance, maybe even take out more lows and get into the daily fair value gap. and then reverse back upwards to this fair value gap and all these little highs there. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on the that's what I'm going to be looking for on the 26th. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be looking for. I've said that 10 times. Hopefully we're going to be doing good. I'm going to take a payout on Friday if I do good this week, so I can buy more accounts. So, yep, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate it.